Hi, I'm Mohanji. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to write the CNC part program for the given geometry. Okay, this is the geometry given. For this geometry, we have to write CNC part program by using G codes and M codes. The first step is we have to write the coordinates. Okay, the first step is we have to write the coordinates. In turning, the coordinates are x comma z, where x is diameter and z is length. X is always diameter and z is length. Okay, now let me write the coordinate. At this point, the coordinates are 0, 0. The x value is 0 and z value is 0. At this point, x, z, again x value is given, the diameter of the diameter of this portion is given, therefore x value is 20 and z value is 0. I'm going to choose this as a reference point. From this point, I'm going to measure the length of the workpiece. Okay, next at this point the diameter remains same, therefore x value is 20 and the length is 20 minus 20. Towards the left I'm going to take the z value is negative, therefore minus 20. Again at this point now the diameter changes from 20 mm to 30 mm, therefore the x value is 30 and z value is 20 plus 15, 35 minus 35. Next at this point the x value, diameter value is 30 and the length is 20 plus 15 plus 15, the total is 50 minus 50. Next at this point now the diameter changes from 30 mm to 40 mm, therefore x value is 40 and z value from the reference is 20 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10, total 60 minus 60. Last point the diameter is same 40 and z value is from reference you have to measure again 20 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 minus 75. Okay, this is the first step to write the coordinates. Okay, next step we have to assume the billet. Here the maximum diameter is 45, therefore I'm going to assume the billet size is 45 mm, little more than that. Next the maximum length is 75 mm. I'm going to assume the billet size as 85 mm. It should not be less than these values. It should not be less than these values. Now we have to convert this billet to this shape by writing CNC part program by using G codes and M codes. Okay, in order to convert this billet to this shape, what are the operations to perform? What are the operations to be performed? The first operation is facing. We have to do facing operation. For facing, I'm going to use G70 cycle and the tool I'm going to use is T0101 tool. And next after facing we have to do step turning. You can see here we have to do step turning is required. For step turning I'm going to use G71 cycle and the tool is T0202. Next after step turning the last operation is finishing operation. Finishing is done just to smooth the surface. For finishing operation I'm going to use G70 cycle and the tool used will be T0303. Now let me write the part program. Okay, this is the first line. Start with O followed by some number. O is nothing but program number followed by any number. Next second line N1 is nothing but sequence number. You can use N1, N2, N3, N4 or N, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as your wish. This sequence number does not have any function related to machining. Okay, the first line N1. G21. What is G21? G21 is nothing but all dimensions are in mm. G21 is nothing but all dimensions are in mm. Then G98. G98 is nothing but feet rate in mm per minute. In turning operation, the tool will be rotating. The workpiece is rotating. The tool will be stationary. Therefore, we have to give the feet rate in terms of mm per minute. Therefore, the code is G98. G21 is all dimensions in mm. G98 is feed rate in mm per minute. Okay, next line, second line, N2. M03. M03 is nothing but we have to switch on the spindle in clockwise direction. Then S2500. After switching on the spindle, we have to set the speed. Let the speed be 2500 RPM. Now, M08. M08 is nothing but coolant on. Switch on the coolant and change the tool, which is the first operation we have to perform. The first operation is facing cycle. Facing operation. For facing operation, I'm going to use T0101 tool. Therefore, M06 tool change and select the tool T01 G01. Now the first operation, as I said, phasing cycle, write the syntax for phasing cycle. Now the syntax for phasing is G72, W 0.1 or 0.5, G72, P value, Q value, U 0.01, W 0.01 and feed value. Now what is G72? G72 is nothing but phasing cycle. W 0.1 is depth of cut. We are going to remove only 0.1 mm material. Next R 0.5. R is nothing but retract value. As we know that in turning operation only in the forward path we are going to remove the material. While coming back it should be retracted by some distance. Then it has to it should be bring to its home position. Therefore we have to give retract value. Okay, next line again, G72 phasing cycle. P value is starting block number, Q value is ending block number, U is the finishing allowance in X direction, W 0.01 is finishing allowance in Z direction. This is feed rate in mm per minute. Let 20 be the feed rate. Now we have to write the coordinates for phasing. Now observe this figure. This is the billet. Now we already selected the tool, phasing tool. Let us assume the tool is somewhere here in the home position. First we have to do the phasing here. Phasing is done to decrease the length. Now the tool is here. We have to move the tool from here to here. Again we have two G code. One is G00 and the second one is G01. G00 and the second one is G01. G00 is nothing but rapid traverse. G01 is nothing but linear traverse. Rapid traverse is used while moving the tool from one position to another position very rapidly. G01 is used while cutting. Now we have to move the tool from here to here very rapidly. We are not cutting any material. Therefore I am going to use G00. You can see here G00 X35 Z0. So this is 45. Now the tool comes to here X45 Z0. G00 X45 Z0. Now we have to move the tool from here to here, center point. While moving in this process, we are going to remove the material. Therefore, I have to use G01. That's why G01. You have to move the tool from here to here. The coordinate at this point is 0, x0, z0. Therefore, G01, x0, z0. I'm performing only one cycle for phasing. That means I'm removing only 0.1 mm material. This ends the phasing. You can observe the phasing started at 6th block number. Therefore, the P value is 6 and it ended at 7th block. Therefore, the Q value is 7. Now, phasing is over. Now, after every operation, we have to use G28U0W0. That means send the tool to its home position. Now, phasing is over. Next, after phasing, we have to do step turning. For step turning, again change the tool. The code for changing the tool is M06. Select the tool. We are using second tool T0202. Now write the syntax for step turning. The syntax for step turning is G71 U1.0 R1, G71 P value, Q value, U0.01, W0.01 and feed value. Here G71 is nothing but rough turning cycle. U1.0 is depth of cut. I'm removing 1 mm per cycle. R is again retract value. As we know that in the forward path we are going to remove the material. While coming back it should be retracted by some distance. Then it has to bring to its home position. Therefore I have to give retract value. Let it be 1 mm. Next line again G71 turning cycle. P is the starting block. Q is the ending block. U0.01 is finishing allowance in X direction. W0.01 is finishing allowance in Z direction. Feed value is 25 mm per minute. Now I have to do step turning operation. Now observe this figure. This figure. You can see here now the tool is somewhere here in the home position. First I have to move the tool from this point to this point. While moving I have to use G00. G00 X0 Z0. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. In this path I have to remove the material. Therefore I have to use G01. G01 X20 Z0. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. This is linear path only, straight line, and we are removing the material. I have to use G01. G01 X20 Z minus 20. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. Again, this is linear path only. For linear traverse, the code is G01, X30, Z minus 35. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. This is also linear. The code is G01, X30, Z minus 50. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. Again, this is also linear. G01, X40, Z minus 60. Now the tool is here. Now I have to move the tool from here to here. Again, this is linear path. For linear path, the code is G01, X40, Z minus 75. That's what I have written here. The first point is G00, X0, Z0, G01, X20, Z0, G01, X20, Z minus 20, G01, X30, Z minus 35, G01, X30, Z minus 50, G01, X40, Z minus 60, G01, X40, Z minus 75. This is the last point, X40, Z minus 75. Now the tool is here. Now you have to send the tool to its home position. For sending the tool, you have to use G28, U0, W0. Send the tool to its home position. Now you can observe the step turning or rough turning started at 12th block. N value is 12, therefore the P value is also 12 starting block number, and it ended at 18th block. Therefore the Q value is 18, ending block number. If you're using 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever number is there here, you have to use same number only for starting block and ending block. Now send the tool to its home position. Now step turning is over, and the last operation is finishing operation. Change the tool for finishing operation. For changing the tool, the code is M06 and select the tool. I'm using T0303 tool. Now write the syntax for finishing operation. G70 finishing cycle, P value starting block number, Q value ending block number. Wherever we perform the step turning, there only we have to do finishing. Therefore we have to use the same value. P value is 12, Q value is 18. That means the finishing operation takes place from this point to this point. And F value, let it be 10 mm per minute. Now finishing is also over. Finishing is very easy, only one step. Now after finishing, we have to send the finishing tool to its home position. The code is G28, U0, W0. Remember, after every operation in turning, we have to use G28, U0, W0. That means send the tool to its home position, where U0, W0 are default coordinate value. Next, now all three operations are over. M05, switch on the spindle. M09, switch on the coolant. Last program, stop. Here you can see here the T followed by 4 numbers are there in turning. This first 2 number indicates turret number, and the last 2 digit indicate tool number, especially in turning. Thank you.